Hey guys, it's Tuesday, May 12th. Today you have another workshop day so that you can finish up fixing your bibliography and your narrative. By the end of the day today, by midnight, you need to turn in your bibliography, 15 note cards, and your narrative. All those things should be edited because when you guys turn those in, I went through and made comments so that you could fix things. If you want to talk to me about any of it, you can sign up to conference with me and we can talk about any parts of your project that you need help with or you aren't understanding or you want me to check over. And then when you're finished, turn it into this right here, the portfolio final part one. This is where you'll turn in research, note cards, and your narrative writing. So you'll turn in all three of those things. It's worth 85 points in your summative category. The point breakdown is right here. And then how I'm going to score it is all right here. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.